Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Moonriver token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Moonriver MOVR is an Ethereum compatible smart contract platform that operates as a canary network on Kusama, serving as a live testing ground for code before it deploys to its sister network Moonbeam or Polkadot. Carry network role, a live incentivized environment on Kusama for testing and verifying new code under real economic conditions before it shipped to Moonbeam. Ethereum compatibility provides a full Ethereum virtual machine EVM implementation and Web3 API, letting developers redeploy existing Solidity smart contracts with minimal changes. Existing Solidity smart contracts with minimal charges. MOVR token utility. The native token powers network security, collector incentives, pay for transaction fees like gas, and facilitates on-chain governance, including voting and proposals. Moonriver project institute rating is 4. Moonriver token total supply is around 12.44 million and circulating supply is around 11.4 million MOVR token. MOVR token is listed on Binance, Bybit, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.